Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's makeup look, I decided to do something very warm toned, and I wanted to add like a pop of color on my eyelid. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the eyes. I already want to go ahead and prime my eyes using the Peely base, and I also did my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I actually used the NYX Fill and Fluff eyebrow pencil, and it's pretty cool because it's like the the traditional eyebrow pencil, but the spoolie, it's not a spoolie, it's actually like a little brush, so you just like brush it out. So for my eyeshadows today, I'm going to use the Morphe and Jeffree Star collaboration, and this is the palette I'm going to be using today. Super pretty, warm. So for today's video, I want to do something warm tones, maybe with a little bit of pop of yellow. I've been loving this. I only tried it once, but it is so pretty. This is what is this actually? This is a Chromatic Pigment from JCat Beauty, and this is in the color Vanity Goddess, I think. It is so pretty. Look at that pigment. So I'm going to start off by using this color right here, and this is in the color Boss Angels or Boss Angeles. So Boss Angeles, I'm going to pick up this color and put it in my crease. Then I'm going to start working this color right in my crease. So right at my crease, putting this color in there. So not going anywhere above or below the crease, and just putting this directly right there. So now that I have packed this color in, I'm gonna go back in with that same color, and I'm gonna start doing like windshield wiper motions in the crease. So just like so, just in my crease, like this. So this will intensify this color on my crease right now. Because we want to get this color as pigmented and as vivid as possible. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of Honest Truth and this color Mr. Diva. So with those two colors, I'm just strictly going to blend out the edges of this crease color I applied on. Mr. Diva and a little bit of Honest Truth. Tapping off the excess and just blending out the edges of that eyeshadow. So notice how I'll pick up the colors, and I'm only going to go right here. So I don't want these colors to mess with that crease color I put on. I only just want to blend it out. So I just want to blend out the edges. So I'm gonna go in with that with that Morphe M330 brush, and back in with Boss Angeles with that color we applied in our crease. So yeah, so with Boss Angeles, I'm gonna go back in and do windshield wiper motions just in my crease. So like that. Looks pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so everything's blended out now. So now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm actually gonna clean the lid with a wipe, so I'm just gonna clean as much as I can. Now I can go in and cut my crease. So yeah, I'm going to start off by the inner corner of my eye. And cutting all of this.
Because the sisters, like, they're cousins or something. No, not with these cut creases.
Okay, so now that I have cut my creases, I'm just gonna take this a small fluffy brush like this. This doesn't have a name on it, but I'm gonna use this little fluffy brush, and then going into Los Angeles, I'm just gonna apply this right there, like that. That way it doesn't look so harsh. So, letting this right there. I'm gonna pick up this color Thru. It's a really pretty green. And then I'm gonna apply that color on like the outer portion of my eye. Oh wow, that's pretty. I'm gonna go in with the J-Cat Beauty. This is their Chromatic Pigment. I think this is in the color Vanity Goddess. I think that's what it's called. It's like a super pretty, like how pretty that is. I'm gonna put this not all over my, oh, I just dropped some. I'm gonna put this like on the inner half of my eye. So picking that up. You know what, I'm actually gonna pick it up with my finger first. And pat it on. I feel like when using your finger, you get like the most color payoff, in my opinion. And then with my finger, I'm just gonna tap over those two colors, the green and the yellow, and blend it out. That way there's no harsh lines and it's all blended out. And then with a brush, I'm gonna pick some of that color up, and I'm gonna focus this on like the edges of my eyes, so like where I'm not able to put my finger in, so like that. Yeah, this yellow is so perfect. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed. So since it is like a loose pigment, I know it sounds crazy to say, but I'm gonna go ahead and set it. So I'm gonna use a little setting spray on a flat brush. I'm gonna wet the brush a good amount and just pat the damp brush over that yellow pigment. So it doesn't move or fall off. And then again, I'm only doing this because it is a loose pigment. I don't want it flying all over the place. So I did a little bit of setting on my eyes. So I'm going to do a wing liner. And for that, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Like this. Okay, so I went ahead and did some eyeliner. Well, there, do my eyeliner. Yeah, I finished my eyeliner. I put some mascara on. For mascara, I used the ColourPop BFF mascara, and then I put some lashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, just because it's like my same routine. But I am gonna show you what I'm gonna be using. So to prime my face, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer, and then for foundation, I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow foundation, and this is a naturally radiant foundation, so it has like a radiant finish to it, which I'm excited to use. And for concealer, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Magic, this is the Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm in the color 18. So I'm actually going to mix a little bit of this Juvia's Place concealer with this e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer, and this is in the color medium sand. I'm only going to be mixing them too because this is kind of like my skin color, and this is a little lighter, so I'm going to mix both of them together to give me that nice bright under eye, but not too bright. So I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation and concealer off of camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my foundation, concealer, I did some bronzing, some blush, and I'm going to finish off my eyes. So to finish off my eyes, I'm going to go back in to my palettes. I want to do something really soft in my under eye. So I think I might do this color Channel right here. It's a little warmer than Mr. Diva, what I use for my transition color. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use it on this like this flat fluffy brush right here. I'm just going to pick up that color and try to make this look as like nice and subtle as possible. So I'm just going to drag this like on the bottom of my eye, under my bottom lash line, just to give it some color. And I don't like that brush, so I'm gonna switch brushes. I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush like this and really just blend that color, that orange color. So I'm gonna put a little pop of color on my inner corner, and for that I am going to use, I think I'm gonna go in with this color Designer Label. Get my setting spray, spray the brush, and just apply this onto the inner corners of my eyes. So it makes your eyes like look brighter. Like you see, like my eye right now looks, it looks more lifted and it looks more open. So that's what we're going for. So now this eye done. I'm actually not done with my eyes yet. I need to put some mascara on my lower lashes, but before I do that, I'm actually going to set my skin. So I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime. This is like the minis they have, so this is the pineapple flavor. And for lips today, I'm going to use the NYX lip pencil, and this is in the color Nutmeg. So for lipstick, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Peachy. This is part of their like Christmas collection. It comes in like a pack of five of, so it's like 3 liquid lipsticks and 2 lip glosses. Oh my gosh, the colors are gorgeous. So this is one of the colors. It's super pretty. Let me swatch it. So for highlight for today, I'm going to use this Lorac Mega Beam highlighter, and this is in the color Gilded Lily. These highlighters are so pigmented. So I'm going to put it right here. Like this color is so, like, it beams off your face. It's so pretty, it's so bright. So I'm only going to use a little bit of it. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys like this eye look. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.